Hello and welcome to Verdigris Bonsai.
And I'm making a mess already. Whoa. Okay, so this rowan has already been prepped for bonsai working. And I can tell you that because there's a fat root there that's been cut back. Lots of new growth on it though. Lots of lovely fresh white roots. Working on this very gently so the soil is just falling away. This is lovely soil. If every new plant came in this sort of soil, it'd be lovely. It'd be so easy. So I don't think we need this tag on it. We know it's a mountain ash and I know where it came from. So. Let's see. Yeah, so there's no great long taproot on it. Roots are very, very fine. And I can tell this tree has already been worked on a little in preparation for the next person that works on it, which is lovely. This is the difference between buying from a garden centre and a nursery that works with bonsai. Still got bumblebees flying around, trying to go in the house, trying to go everywhere. Yeah, I think that one might be looking for somewhere to build a nest. Not in the kitchen, please, bumblebee. Right. You'll probably see it in a minute on the camera. Yeah. So I've got a nice mountain in the middle of, you just nestle the tree in on it like that, and then what you do is you bring one wire over, make a sort of L shape. So we're just wiring these in. You just twist and pull and twist. Well, that will do. That will do quite nicely. There we are. Put the wire in. Push it down so it doesn't cut me when I'm looking for it. And then we just cover the roots. And that should do quite nicely. And even with these scoops, I'm still missing. Not quite so bad though. There we go. Yeah, that is better. Okay. So with a chopstick, you just feed the soil down between those roots. Just poke and wiggle. Now, I'm not sure how good this video is. Hopefully it's okay. I'm still getting the hang of setting the video up and recording. And I am conscious that I've had a few interruptions this afternoon. Now, one thing I will tell you is that it's a lot easier to work the soil if you keep turning the pot. Here's the mountain ash all done. It's been wired. I've put just a gentle curve in it. I thought that might make an interesting shape. Didn't want to go too wild with it because it is quite thick. So there's no S-bends or anything like that, just a gentle lean, but it'll still make quite a nice informal upright. And now that it's settling, as you can see, it's making its own shape anyway. It might be quite interesting without me doing anything too much to it. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's it now. I put moss on it because it's not one that will be going to the market this year. I want to work on this one a little bit more, maybe get some cuttings. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again in the future. With a top with a cocktail. This is not a cocktail stick.